Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video and thank you for renting with G.M.Luxe. We appreciate each customer. Today we are going to talk about this beautiful California Ferrari. So this is how the key looks like. It only has 3 buttons: unlock button, lock button, and open trunk button. If you hold it, the trunk will open automatically. To enter the car, simply press on the button. It will unlock the doors and we'll get in. Now that we're inside the car, we're going to talk about some features that it has, how to connect to Bluetooth, how to activate some of the driving modes and turn on and off the car, and many more. Now we're going to talk about how to turn the car on. First, put the key in ignition, and then we have to press the button that is located on the left-hand side on the steering wheel. Here in the middle console, we have the rear. So if you push this button, it will put the car in the rear. Don't forget to keep your foot on the brake pedal. If you need to put the car in drive, we need to relocate into the settings of the steering wheel. To put this car in the drive, once you started the ignition, you have to grab the floppy pedal on the right side and move it towards yourself. This will put the car in drive mode. If you would like to put the car in neutral, grab both floppy pedals from each side and together pull them towards yourself. If you pull them a little bit harder one more time, it will put the car in manual regime. And remember to switch back to automatic regime. There is a button in the middle console that says auto. Down here from the gearbox, we have the hazards. Turn it on, press it again to turn it off, and on the sides, the controllers for the windows. To turn the window down, simply press the controller down. To put it back up, close it, pull it up. This side is for the passenger. Here we have the climate control section. You can adjust the temperature by scrolling up and down. This one is for the passenger side. You can adjust the direction of the vent as well. You can use this button to activate the AC and turn it off by pressing on it again. These 2 buttons are to control the vents onto the windshield and the rear mirror. This button controls the strengths of the AC. Here we have a touch screen and the main menu. You can use your finger to navigate through it, or you can use the controller on the right hand side to navigate through the menu. Let's start with radio. When you press on the radio, you can choose different stations and you can adjust the volume using the controller on the left hand side. If you go back, you can press the main menu. You can go to navigation setting and enter the destination where you want to go. Also, you can use this button to voice control or the settings. To turn it off, simply press on it again. Now I'm going to tell you how to turn on the Bluetooth and connect your phone to the car. Press on the media button and it will ask you if you wish to pair a device. Say yes, and now open your Bluetooth settings on the phone. You will see Ferrari in other devices. Press on it. It will ask you to pair, and accept, allow, and here you are. Now you are connected and you can use media and the music from your phone. Here is how the steering wheel looks like. On the top 2 buttons are the turning signals. If you want to turn right, press the right button. If you want to turn left, press the left button. To turn it off, press on it again. Here are the controls for the high beam. So to turn on the high beam, just press it down and press it up if you would like to turn it off. This is our engine start button. Moving on to the right hand side, this is the controls for different driving regimes, sport regime, and off traction control. Right now it's off. To turn it back on, just simply do the same thing again. And return to comfort, just return back. This one is to adjust the wipers. So to control the wipers, you press on it. And if you'd like to turn them off, press from the other side. To put the car in park brake, there is a handle over here on the left hand side, and you simply pull it once and it puts the car on the brake, and if you pull it twice, it releases the park brake. Here are the driver's side door buttons. This is the control for the mirrors. So let's say if you would like to adjust the right mirror, you would point this little arrow to the right and use this entire controller to move around and adjust the mirror. If you would like to adjust the left side, simply switch the controller to the left and do the same thing. If you would like to fold the mirrors, simply turn down like this and it will close the mirrors for you. These two buttons are to control the fuel tank. If you press on it, the fuel tank will pop out. And this one is to open the trunk. You can use this one, or you can also use the button on your key remote. This is the controller for the light. Right now, the lights are off. To put it in auto regime, you would turn it to the left. This is to turn the parking lights on, and this one to turn on high beams. This button right here turns on the fog lights. I usually just leave it at auto, so that means the car is automatically turning on and off the lights depending where you're driving and what time of the day you're driving in. Now these are the buttons to adjust your sitting position. If you would like to move closer to the steering wheel or farther away, and also move the seat up or down. Now we are going to show you how to take down the rooftop. The controller is right here in the middle console. In order to remove the roof, just press it down and hold it all the way until the roof is completely open. Keep holding it until the roof is completely open. Now it's open. You can release. In order to close it, you just move it up, and the same thing, you would have to wait until it's fully closed to release the button.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!